Hello, hello, hello. This is Gent's daughter coming back to you again, where everything I prepared for you is prepared with gallons and gallons of love. So let's put that first ingredient in right now as I make some mini hamburger patties. Gallons and gallons of love. You can't overdo this or over season with this. So you pour in as much love as you can in everything that you prepare. Um, Today, like I said, I'm making some mini hamburger patties, and you guys know that I like to season my food with a lot of garlic and other spices as well. But my little saying to you, you do you, I do me. If you don't like the seasonings I'm using, then of course you prepare your own. That's a thing about that's the art of cooking. You prepare it like you and your family and those you love, based on their taste palette. Let me just retract a little bit. Don't forget, guys, to do this for me. Subscribe, click on the notification bell. Every time I put out a video, of course, you'll be notified. But also share this content because I think it's great content, and I hope you do too. So I'm going for now, because if you guys may already see these chopped up minced garlic. It was actually fresh garlic, but I just chopped it up real fine. So now I'm going to use the adobo all-purpose seasoning, and I'm not going to go real heavy on this because I'm almost certain it has salt in it, and I don't want to over salt my content or my patties. And then I'm just going to simply put in some Creole sauce. That's an all-purpose as well. I like things a little spicy. And I'm also just going to do a tad of, let's see, Cajun. Now if you don't like spicy, don't include this. So don't include this if your taste palette says I can't do spicy, don't do it. But if you can do it, just a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Again, this is a Creole seasoning, and I use adobo. Now you can use just salt and pepper, whatever you like, and you can add different seasonings in based on, well, is it coming out? Well, maybe I just need to, yeah, I don't want to get too much because I can't see it. That would not be good. That would not be good. I want to be able to eat this. What do you think? So I'm just going to go in and kind of mix this in, the seasonings and the garlic. I'm going to take my hands and work with it as well. But I'm just going to show you how I'm going to roll it out. This is the little mini burgers that we're going to have in just a little bit once it's all cooked up. And we're going to have a salad with this as well. So I think you all get the gist of what's going on here. So I am going to be right back with, well, before I go off, let me just show you how I'm going to roll this. And so what I'm going to do is just take about that much hamburger, and I'm just going to pat it out. And you can use more if you so desire, but this is enough for my burger patty, okay? And a little trick that I was shown some years ago is that if you just punch a hole right there, then your burger is not going to bloat up. Can you see that? So it's like a little circle in there. So when you see me again, these burgers will be all in the pan. Just rolling along here, just rolling along. I have our sliders, our mini hamburger patties, just rolling, just cooking along. As you can see, let me see, I want to hold this up, just lift it off the burner for you, or just turn it around. I'll just turn it around. I hope you can see that it's not that hot. What I've done here is just press the little holes in the center of that, and I've got my seasonings and all incorporated in that. In the meat or in the hamburger, patted it out, but press the hole in, and now it's cooking. All right, I'm going to have a salad today. I'm kind of, like I said before on another video, kind of heavy on salads during the summertime, but I don't like all that chunkiness. I don't like those big leaves. That's too much. That's too much work for me and my teeth. But if you, that doesn't look good. You know how you buy this lettuce and it looks like it's oxidized before you can get it home? Yeah, I just bought this. But anyway, I don't like the big chunks, so I'm going to go in with my handy dandy scissors, cooking shears, and just go to chopping. And I'll get it incorporated or get it to my taste and to my liking. And what I noticed when I was kind of prepping before I came back is that I didn't have cucumbers. But that's okay. I thought, you know what? I want a salad. I'm just going to use what I have. I'm not going to run to the store to get anything else. And that's how it is with cooking oftentimes. You just make a decision that I'm going to use what I got, and what I don't have, I don't have. And that's kind of where my mindset is with this salad. So I'm going to be adding, let's see if that's good. Just chop, whatnot. I'm going to be adding some tomato, and I love celery. So, of course, I always keep celery on hand. Tomatoes, celery, I have avocado, and, you know, I was thinking about putting an onion in, but I think I'm going to saute my onion in my cast iron pan here with the burgers. So I have sauteed onions with it. So enough of my jabbering. I'll see you in a few. Y'all, in the 11th hour, I decided to go ahead and saute onion and bell pepper to go over these burgers. Last minute thing. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm going to let that steam down a little. And we'll just kind of proceed from there. But just onion and green peppers. The green peppers were frozen, so I had to chop them up. And what I wanted to show you is that my hamburger is almost done. I like mine a medium well. Yes, medium well is what I like, what I enjoy. So that's how it's cooking. And I've added avocado to my salad. See how pretty that's looking? And I'm going to add the last couple ingredients, which I already have prepared for you. And that is tomato and celery. It's going to be a great salad. You guys go ahead and fix your food with the things that you enjoy, the things that you have in your cupboard at that given moment, and it will be a wonderful meal. I'll be back to show you the plate and do a taste test. Still adding plenty of blood to everything. I have rolled on back in here, guys, for you all to see my finished plate. There's my salad with my honey mustard. There's my sliders, and I topped it with some green peppers and sauteed onion. And as a condiment, I'm just going to give you some choices that you can use. You can use mayo, you can use chipotle seasoning, you can use ketchup, mustard, barbecue, any of those things that you like and enjoy. Okay, I'm going to dive in for a quick taste test. Where is a fork here? I'm getting one here. And just kind of letting you know what my take on it is. I think I'm going to add some banana peppers to my salad. God is great and He is good. Father, I thank you for this food. Amen. I don't think I need any banana peppers on that. Sliders. I may go back and do ketchup. I don't know. Ketchup is not my favorite. Mmm. So good. So good. So good. Guys, you got to try this recipe. I'm going to list the ingredients and instructions in the description box. Leave me a comment, subscribe, share, so that when I put up a video, you will be notified. This is Gent's daughter signing out. Bye.